Good morning, students. Do you all remember what we have learned in the previous class? Yes, this is our first prose, learning the game. It is an extract from the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar named Playing It My Way. Shall we have a recap what we have learned previously? From a very early age, Sachin Tendulkar played cricket using tennis ball with his colony friends. He loved watching cricket on television. Sachin's favorite cricket players are Sunil Gavaskar, he is an Indian player, and Viv Richard, he is an West Indian player. He tried to emulate the mannerism of his favorite players. Initially, Sachin studied in New English School in Mumbai. Later, he joined Shadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakan Achekar was the cricketer coach. He is Sachin's brother named Ajit. He took his brother to the summer cricket camp to get trained under Ajrekar sir. When Sachin went to join the summer cricket camp, he was disqualified by Ajrekar sir. He got another opportunity and played well. That opportunity changed the life of Sachin. After Sachin joined in the summer cricket camp, he had to go to Shivaji Park for cricket practice. He practiced both in the morning and the evening session. His house was located in Bandra. From his house, he has to travel to Shivaji Park. It took 40 minutes, so he had to catch an early morning bus. When Sachin traveled to Shivaji Park for cricket practice, for the first few days, Ajit accompanied him. During the bus journey, he would talk him about batting. He gave some useful thoughts about batting. Sachin always enjoyed these conversations and he has kept with him all his career. Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes. As soon as he had returned from the morning session, he washed his clothes and dry out in the sun while he had his lunch. Again, he would wear the same clothes for the afternoon session. But it was never enough time to dry the clothes completely. So he played with wet pockets for the entire duration of the camp. At the end of the summer cricket camp, Achrikar sir noticed Sachin's potential in cricket. So he called his brother Ajit and informed that if Sachin practiced all year, he would become a good cricketer. But in his school, that is, a new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities. If you change his school, he would play cricket seriously. Achrikar sir met Sachin's father Ramesh Tendulkar and suggested him to change his school to Shadasham Vidya Mandir, where Achrikar sir worked as cricket coach. Sachin's father and brother did not have any objection and they agreed to admit Sachin in Sadasham Vidya Mandir to give priority for cricket. After Sachin joined in the new school Sadasham Vidya Mandir, he played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. His summer session started at 7:30 a.m. and it ended at 4:30 p.m. He had only 30 minutes break. His evening session started at 5 p.m. and it ended at 7 p.m. So he got rigorous practice. Sachin worked hard throughout the day and he could take rest only for 30 minutes. During his 30 minutes break, he would get a vadapa. Achrikasa offered him money to go and have a vadapa. It is the most popular fast food in Mumbai. During the evening session practice, between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m., Sachin would have 5 more net sessions. The last 15 minutes, Achrika sir would place a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stump. If he managed to avoid getting out, he rewarded the coin to him. In that session, every bowler in the camp would bowl to him, with 60 to 70 boys fielding. So he was very conscious to hit every ball. Winning the 1 rupee coin gave him immense satisfaction. At the end of the practice, Ajriga sir would tell him to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves. He would be completely exhausted by the end of it all. It was a routine he would repeat through his summer holidays. It helped him to build up physical and mental stamina. He is Sachin's father, Ramesh Tendulkar. Occasionally, his father came to take him home and he would always ask him to treat him a special fruit cocktail. He did not realize that his parents also had to take care of the needs of his brothers and sister. But his father gave him what he wanted to see him happy. Sometimes Sachin returned home from Shivaji Park on his own. He would often fall asleep on the bus. It was very difficult to get a seat in a Mumbai bus at peak hours. Moreover, it was a challenge to stand with the kit bag. The bus conductor asked him to buy 2 tickets, but he didn't have money for a second ticket. And also, his dirty clothes added him embarrassment. So he wrapped the kit bag around him. Even though Sachin loved cricket, sometimes he had fun when playing with his friends at home. Whenever he forgot to go to the nets, Achrika sir came to his house and dragged him out to the Shivaji Park by his scooter. On the drive, he would tell him that don't waste your time playing games with these kids. Cricket is waiting for you at the nets. Practice hard. One day you can see the magic. Those inspiring words made him a successful cricketer. Once, Sachin bunked his daily evening practice to watch an inter school cricket match. He was not anticipating that Achrika sir would be there. He was so angry and said, "It wasn't for you to watch other play. If you practice hard enough, one day people from across the world would watch your play." Achrika sir was a strict disciplinarian and did everything for him. Achrika sir was the main reason for the name and fame of Sachin Tendulkar. If Achrika had not been a good coach, Sachin would not have become an excellent cricketer. So he owed himself to Achrika sir. He learned ABCD of cricket under Sir's guidance. The coach Achrika sir passed away on January 2nd, 2019 at the age of 87 at his Shivaji Park residence. To show his gratitude, Sachin carried his coach's mortal remains to the cremation ground. Finally, we come to an end of the lesson learning the game. Through this lesson, we learned where there is a will, there is a way. Dreams don't work unless you do. Hard work pays a rich dividend. Thank you.